Don't change lanes right after signaling. Give drivers around you some time to react. During the day, honk twice before overtaking. At night, flash your high beams twice. I am Wei Xiaoyang from Shiyan Auto City, a female driver working with heavy trucks every day. Today's video is still about the most practical, life-saving tips for long hauls. A viewer asked me, how to overtake most steadily on the road? Stay safe. How to downshift a manual uphill. No gear grinding, no gearbox damage. How to match speed and gear smoothly. Alright, no more talk. Let's get to the tips. Driving big rigs is a whole different story from cars. If you're slow or change lanes recklessly, you're gambling with your life. To overtake, remember, observe the road first. Check your mirrors. Don't rush the turn signals. Check for curves or intersections ahead, bridges or construction zones. Is there any oncoming traffic? These are all factors we must consider, because big rigs need more distance to overtake. Visibility is poor. Never ever overtake recklessly. Check your side mirrors multiple times. Make sure no vehicle is tailgating you. Before overtaking, you must speed up first. Don't lug the engine. You need full power to pass. Passing slowly is more dangerous. Signal left for at least 3 seconds before turning. Don't change lanes right after signaling. Give drivers around you some time to react. During the day, honk twice before overtaking. At night, flash your high beams twice. It means to remind the car in front that I'm going to overtake. That way, everyone stays safe. Don't turn the wheel too sharply, because a truck's body is very long. Some trucks carry very high loads, so the center of gravity is also high. If you jerk the wheel, the trailer will fishtail. Keep your speed within a range you can control. Careful now, don't go over the speed limit. Don't hesitate or slow down while passing. Don't pull back into the lane right away. Wait until you see the entire front of that truck in your mirror. Then signal right and merge back slowly. Don't rush for a second. Safety is the fastest way. Remember the 3 no's. No passing on curves. No passing downhill. No passing on solid lines. Keep these 3 rules in mind. You'll be at least 90% safer. In short, stop hesitating when overtaking. Do not be indecisive. Move quickly. Do it with style. Only overtake when you're 100% sure it's safe. Downshifting a manual uphill, match speed and gear, perfectly to avoid grinding or damage. Downshift early before going uphill. Don't wait until the engine is gasping for air to downshift. That hurts the truck and wastes fuel. You must judge based on the steepness, the weight of the load, and your speed. If the power holds up, downshift sequentially. If sequential doesn't feel right, then skip a gear. Then, blip the throttle when you downshift. That way, the gears won't grind. Downshifting is all about matching the engine's RPM perfectly with the wheel speed. With that extra tap of gas, the gears will engage perfectly. Absolutely no grinding or clashing. Now, about matching your speed with the correct gear. Every truck's gearbox is different, so the gear positions are different too. The gear ratio configurations vary. Honestly, I cannot tell you exactly which RPM you should match with which gear. Downshift early to keep the engine's power up. Downshift early to keep the power up. Release gas, clutch in, then downshift. A light tap of gas to avoid grinding. When speed drops, you drop the gear. Lower gears mean stronger power. It doesn't rhyme that well, but it's all based on my own experience. Everyone listens carefully. When driving trucks, stability is better than speed. Never ever force an overtake. Don't force a downshift either. Smooth truck, smooth ride, and a safe journey. This is what we must always keep in mind. I am Wei Xiaoyang, sharing only real practical trucking tips. Let's catch up more in the next video.